The following is an update and technical analysis on MGM Resorts, a company of the consumer cyclical sector, resorts and casinos, based upon the daily time frame where I had mentioned on the 11th of September 2023, we were trading spot price $42.70, put in a nice, clean divergent high. We had negative and or bearish divergences really constructed amongst multiple indicators in a classic head and shoulder looking top with a split neckline based upon the 41.93 price support correlated and synchronizing with the primary reactionary uptrend line, call it a multi-year major big price support level off the June 2022 reactionary lows, and just a pivotal transitioning point correlated with the 200-day moving average 41.93 price support, which is again the beautiful neckline to this classic head and shoulder top. Watch for a big breakdown below, sell signal, and then additionally some targets to hone in on: the 40.02 price support and the 38.70 price support. And here's the update. Entire trade off the breakdown, we ended up beautifully right to the button, back testing the primary reactionary downtrend line there, and that entire trade down to my third target. It's finally hit. It was good for a 10.4% crash, where the technical dimensions of the stock were just bearish right across the board on multiple time interval frames. And it never ceased to amaze me how charts will outright manufacture the headlines. Whereas MGM Resorts are now expected to incur daily revenue losses of up to $8.4 million until it resolves the cybersecurity issues that have disrupted its reservation system and impacted casino operations really across multiple states. And I just had a conversation with someone I know that works at the MGM Grand, and they mentioned that several colleagues received an unexpected extra $1,000 in the recent paychecks. And I'm not suggesting a direct connection, but the timing does appear somewhat coincidental. And honing in onto this third target, we did get that reaction where long traders and or bull traders successfully defended the intraday into the close for 2.3% in gains. And I truly believe where covering your shorts could be a specific great idea, especially if we get the great news. If the news suddenly shifts over to a complete overhaul in the operational security computer systems and some good news to be met, I would only suspect a nice, big rally to the upside if and when the MGM Grand manages to gain some traction and control the cybersecurity hacking system. And again, if you're a long-term dollar cost average, long-term investor and are a firm believer in that casinos will continue to take everyone's money, these are your main dollar cost average levels to hone in on and average down for the ultra long term, especially based upon the 38.70 price support, which I believe is major price support with multiple reactionary highs and reactionary lows really across the board. I'll call it a multi-year price support level, and I would only suspect more stops. And if we go on to undercut those previous lows there, near-term lows, I would only suspect a bigger wave of selling, forced stops, forced liquidations to go off for another 5.5% drop down to 37.25 price support, if and when that reactionary low were to be undercut. It's been a heck of a story. Stay on your toes and watch out for the next headline.